say? 354.
Cessna 354, roger, and you'll be number 2 to follow that traffic. Runway 1 left, clear touch and go, wind 26017, gust 14.
Clear touch and go, follow number 2 traffic, 354, and we'll be departing to the south after this touch and go, 354.
Cessna 354, roger. Hey, sir, turn to 1, pay attention.
Turn 1, keep north and we'll go out to the west. We're going to go to Saldana for a GPS approach.
Hey, sir, turn 1, roger, and the right turnout approved. Or correction, left turnout approved.
Turn 1, left turnout, we'll advise crossing center line.
Hey, sir, turn 1, traffic, 11 o'clock, 3 miles north-northwest bound. Last reported altitude 1,600 is a Piper.
Trainer 1, listen.
557 Delta, take current altitude.
57 Delta is 1,900.
Take 57 Delta, roger. That's 6 Golf, turn right at exit, taxi park, take off, Golf, on ground. 6 Golf. Pacer, trainer 1, traffic now 10 to 11 o'clock, 2 miles north-northwest bound, last port altitude 1,900.
Trainer 1, listen.
Pacer, trainer 1, roger. You should be no back before you now, you're in your turn.
Trainer 1, thank you.
Sketchy. Oh.